Hey everyone, it's Dorothy with crazyforcrust.com and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a secretly healthier way to give your kids cookies for snack or breakfast. These are actually healthier. They're a great snack or a great breakfast, and you can just tell your kids, hey kids, these are cookies for breakfast. Who doesn't love that? I started making breakfast cookies several years ago when I wanted something for second breakfast, as I call it. After my workout, I always need to eat something. And usually I just try and grab an apple, but sometimes I feel like something a little bit more. And that was when I was falling into that trap of eating muffins or cereal or like stopping and getting a scone at Starbucks. And I realized, you know what? Wait, I need to make something that's a little bit healthier, that tastes like a treat, so that when I'm starving after working out, I have something satisfying that's gonna keep me going till lunch. That's how these peanut butter breakfast cookies were born. That and the fact that my daughter loves those packaged like breakfast cookie things that you buy at the grocery store, but they're so expensive. It's like a box of 5 for $5. The way she goes through them, I'd be broke. Okay, let's get started making peanut butter breakfast cookies. They start with peanut butter. I like to use creamy peanut butter. You can use any brand that you like. I recommend using a regular peanut butter, not a natural one, but I do use Skippy or Jif Naturals, which is a no-stir peanut butter. We're gonna mix that with a little bit of oil. Now you can use vegetable oil or liquid coconut oil, whichever you have. You're gonna add brown sugar, then add baking soda and vanilla, and ground flaxseed meal. Now I know it's kind of a weird ingredient, but flaxseed is really healthy. If you don't have it, you can use a tablespoon of quick cooking oats, or you can add an extra tablespoon of the whole wheat flour, or you can just skip it all together. Quick cooking oats. And then instead of using regular all-purpose flour in this recipe, I'm using whole wheat flour. So you're gonna add whole wheat flour to this. If you only have all-purpose, you can totally use it, that's fine. But I recommend at least getting white whole wheat. It's much healthier than regular all-purpose flour. Or you can use whole wheat like I am today. Stir that all together. It'll be a nice thick cookie dough. I like to stir in some mini chocolate chips because it adds a little bit of chocolate flavor and a little goes a long way. And then you're gonna scoop these onto a cookie sheet, just like you're baking cookies. And like peanut butter cookies, they don't spread very much. So press them down with a tines of a fork. They can be close together on the pan. They're not gonna spread. Bake them for about 9 to 11 minutes until you can tell they're cooked through and not glossy on top anymore. And then let them cool at least 5 minutes before trying to remove them from the pan. These are somewhat fragile because they don't have a ton of fat in them and a ton of binder, so they will fall apart if you touch them too soon. But after about 5 minutes, you should be able to easily transfer them to a plate for serving. I promise your kids are gonna love them. They're gonna love them for breakfast or for snack, maybe even crumble them over some yogurt or some ice cream. They're a fantastic way to have cookies, but a little bit healthier. Thanks for watching today. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and eat something sweet or healthy.